Benefit of getting international driver's license. Benefits. The international driver's license is intended to overcome the language barrier that you might encounter whilst traveling abroad, eliminating eliminate the frustration of the language barriers by simply showing your international driver's license. A direct translation of the original driver's license, printed in 8 official languages. The 6 United Nations official languages are English, French, Spanish, Russian, Arabic, and Chinese, plus German and Japanese we've added on. The international driver's permit and the original driver's license is mandatory in many countries. Use it along with our international driver's license can ease the anxiety of traveling in a foreign country. Check with your travel agency to the rules and regulations of an international driver's permit surrounding your place of travel. Penalties can vary from a fine to citation. If you're caught driving without the international driver's license and the original license, law enforcement has the option: 1, to arrest the driver and taking him or her to jail, or giving the driver a citation with a mandatory court appearance. An international driver's license, or called an IDL, is a special driver's license that allows licensed motorists to travel in other countries without further tests or application. It is proof that the holder, possessor of a valid driver's license issued by a competent authority in his or her country of residence. You may be required to have a valid international driver's license to drive in some countries, and some foreign car rental agency may require you to have one for car rental. An international driver's license will be useful if you do a lot of traveling overseas, when you schedule a vacation or a business trip abroad. It is best to have one in advance. While most countries don't recognize a Canadian or US or your own country's driver's license, the international driver's license is beneficial to you. Keep in mind that international driver's licenses are designed to be a supplement to your own driver's license and not mean a replacement. It is important that you carry your original driver's license every time to operate a vehicle. An international driver's license is useful when you are traveling to countries with official languages that is not included in your driver's license. You need one even if you are just passenger a passenger of a driver in a foreign land. It can also be useful for identification card in a country where many language is not English. Whilst it is not a travel requirement, you should consider getting one. This makes it convenient to get one, and it will be delivered right to your home. Our international driver's license specializes in producing driver's license translation according to United Nations Convention on Road Traffic Requirement. International driver's license issued by our company is an additional translation tool to aid you whilst traveling abroad. Along with your state or your province international driver's permit and your original driver's license, our international driver's license helps translate your driver's license information into 8 additional languages, closing any language barriers and communication gap, no matter what country you are from. Our translation of the driver's license means that no matter where you're traveling, our international drivers will assist you in time of what matters most and when the language is a huge barrier. So we comply to United Nations Conference on Road Traffic. This is on October the 7th to November the 8th, 1968. And the final act was actually back in 1969. So we comply to United Nations regulations.